Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mint Julep in Growtopia. First, understand that crafting this item requires specific ingredients found within the game world. You will need to gather sugar cane, mint leaves, and a glass bottle. These components are essential for combining into the final product. Preparing these items beforehand will streamline your crafting process significantly, making it quick and easy. To begin, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Sugar cane can be found growing in water blocks, so look for worlds with water features. Mint leaves are harvested from mint plants, which are quite common in many worlds. Finally, a glass bottle can be crafted using sand blocks at a chemical combiner, or you might find one for sale from other players. Once you have all your ingredients, head to a chemical combiner. Place 1 sugar cane, 1 mint leaf, and 1 glass bottle into the combiner's slots. Double-check that you have exactly one of each item. Then, simply activate the machine, and it will craft your mint julep. This process is straightforward and yields 1 drink per set of ingredients. After crafting, simply tap on your mint julep in your inventory to consume it. You'll immediately gain a temporary movement speed boost, which is incredibly useful for traversing worlds quickly, farming efficiently, or excelling in Parker challenges. This item can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Don't miss out on these valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.